Will your child's next teacher be a human or an AI? Artificial intelligence isn't just entering hospitals, it's entering classrooms, from personalized learning platforms to AI tutors to robots standing at the front of the room. Education is being transformed in ways we've never seen before, and it raises a question that makes parents, teachers, and students all stop and think. Do we think AI will empower teachers or replace them entirely? Let's dive into what's happening, what's coming, and whether you'd be comfortable with your child being taught by a machine. For as long as schools have existed, the model has been the same. One teacher, a room full of students. The teacher delivers lessons and tries to balance the needs of every individual child. But anyone who's been in a classroom knows the challenge. Some kids race ahead, others fall behind. Some are visual learners, others learn best by doing. Teachers do their best to adapt, but they're human, with limited time and attention. That's where AI is starting to step in, because AI-powered platforms are already being used in schools around the world. They promise personalized learning, tailoring lessons, quizzes, and practice problems to each student's ability level. For example, imagine a maths app that doesn't just give the same worksheet to every child. Instead, it analyzes each answer, adapts the difficulty in real time, and guides the student at their own pace. If they're struggling with fractions, it spends more time there. If they've mastered multiplication, it moves them forward. Companies like Khan Academy are experimenting with AI tutors that act like a personal coach for every learner. Students can ask questions in natural language, and the AI responds instantly with step-by-step guidance. Not replacing the teacher, but giving every child the one-on-one attention that teachers often wish they could provide. And it's not just for children. Universities are adopting AI tools that can grade essays, generate feedback, and even flag plagiarism. Adult learners are using AI tutors to pick up new skills on their own, whether it's coding, design, or learning a new language. Because AI is becoming the private tutor that never gets tired, never loses patience, and is available 24/7. But here's the big question. If we let artificial intelligence teach every child at their own pace, provide instant feedback, and scale to millions of students at once, what happens to teachers? Do they become less important or more important than ever? Some argue AI could liberate teachers. Instead of spending hours marking homework or designing worksheets, teachers could let AI handle the admin and spend their time actually connecting with students, mentoring them, inspiring them, teaching critical thinking and creativity, skills that go beyond what an algorithm can do. In this vision, AI is a co-teacher, a powerful assistant that takes on the repetitive tasks, while the human teacher does what humans do best, building relationships, motivating students, and nurturing curiosity. But others fear a different future, a future where schools, strapped for funding, start to see AI as a cheaper replacement. Why hire 5 teachers if an AI tutor can handle 100 students at once? Why pay salaries and benefits when a subscription to an education platform costs less? In some parts of the world, this is already happening. In China, classrooms are experimenting with AI teaching assistants that monitor student engagement, tracking eye movement and facial expressions to see if kids are paying attention. In South Korea, some kindergartens have introduced robot teachers to lead songs and stories. And in the United States, entire online schools now run with AI-powered tutors providing the bulk of instruction. So, could we really see a day when human teachers are sidelined? To answer that, let's look at what AI can and can't do. We know AI can deliver information. It can personalize content. It can assess knowledge with instant feedback. But also, AI can't truly inspire. It doesn't build trust the way a caring teacher does. It doesn't understand when a student is anxious, distracted, or dealing with struggles at home. It doesn't replace the bond that makes students remember their favorite teacher for life. Because teaching is not just about transferring knowledge, it's about mentorship, it's about modeling values, it's about showing kids how to collaborate, how to ask questions, how to think for themselves. These are deeply human qualities. And while AI is impressive, it's not there yet. Still, let's not underestimate where this is heading. As the future of artificial intelligence grows more advanced, the line between assistant and teacher could blur. Picture this. A child puts on AR glasses at home. A hologram appears, teaching them geometry, guiding them through science experiments, even telling stories with expressive, human-like voices. It adapts instantly to their mood, attention span, and learning style. It feels like a real tutor, and maybe even a real friend. For parents, that could be incredible. A private tutor for every child. But it also raises concerns. What values will these AI teachers impart? Whose worldview are they teaching from? And who controls the curriculum that billions of children might grow up with? Education has always been about more than academics. It's about culture, identity, social development. What happens if AI teachers become dominant? Those aspects could shift in ways we're not prepared for. There's also the issue of inequality. In wealthy countries, artificial intelligence may act as a powerful supplement, giving students extra help outside of school. But in poorer nations, where there are teacher shortages, AI might become the teacher. For millions of children, their only education could come from a screen or a chatbot. That's both exciting and risky. On one hand, it means access to learning where there was none. On the other, it could mean generations growing up without the human mentorship that education has always provided. And then, there's trust. Would parents be comfortable handing over their child's education to a machine? Would students feel the same sense of connection, the same inspiration, from an AI tutor that they do from a favorite teacher? Right now, surveys suggest most parents are skeptical. They see the potential of artificial intelligence to assist, but they don't want it to replace human teachers, because education isn't just about knowledge, it's about relationships. So what's most likely? Most experts believe the future is collaboration. Teachers and AI working side by side. And we let AI handle the data, the personalization, the repetitive grading. Teachers bring the empathy, the mentorship, the inspiration. Think of it this way. Just as doctors are unlikely to be fully replaced by AI, teachers probably won't be either. Instead, it will become the new textbook, the new blackboard, the new calculator. Another tool that makes teachers more powerful, not less. But let's be honest, as improves, the pressure will mount. School boards will ask hard questions about costs. Governments will debate how much to rely on machines. And students themselves may one day prefer the speed, clarity, and personalization over the limitations of a human one. The future of education may not be about replacement, but about choice. Some families may embrace AI tutors completely. Others will insist on traditional classrooms. And many will want a hybrid, where human teachers and AI work together to give the best of both worlds. So let me leave you with this. Would you be comfortable if your child's teacher was an AI? Would you trust a robot tutor if it claimed to give your child the best possible education? Or do you believe the human element of teaching can never and should never be replaced? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of work, healthcare, education, and beyond. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.